took our land, you took our lives away. But you never could see that the color of her skin was the same color as the Georgia clay. And you never understood, I don't know if you could, that the people of the land were one and the same. You can't have one without the other, 'cause the two go together in a way that can't be explained. Now everything is lost, like tears in the rain. Yeah, when you took our land, you took our hope away. The red man's blood that was spilled on the ground was the same color as the Georgia clay. And we marched to the west on the trail of tears, and the tears were lost like so many tears cried in the rain. And the devil laughed while the eagle cried, 'cause it knew it'd never pass this way again. Like a wind across the plains, like tears cried in the rain. The devil laughed while the eagle cried, 'cause it knew it'd never pass this way again. Yeah, like a wind across the plains. When you took our land, you took our lives away. And you keep coming up the hills and cutting down the trees, and there won't be a place for the children to play. And all that's left of the Cherokee are the names of the faces of the few that remain. Lines on the pages of a book, and the pictures that you took of a father's faces, line and pain. Now everything is lost, like tears in the rain. When you took our land, you took our lives away.